What's up guys? Today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I have never done a DJ gig vlog on this channel, but I figure now is as good a time as ever. I'm going to be ramping up the content on this channel. I've got tons of videos coming out, plenty of gear reviews, which is what I've been kind of known for on this channel in the past, but now we're going to take you along with me to an event. So I have got stuff laid all over the floor here. I'm getting ready to pack up, going to do a wedding. Now, I am trying to get out of the wedding game. They're not my favorite anymore, but this is a family thing. So I'm gonna do it. I'm taking the brand new RCF Evox J9 with me. I'm also taking the QSC CB10 as a fill speaker. I've got some other fun stuff that I'm gonna be taking with me. So come along, let's do this gig. Okay, so I'm all packed up and it really blows me away how much gear you can fit in a Toyota Corolla. These are the new J9s from RCF. I have some beautiful towels on them because I do not have cases for them yet. So we got a baby DJ booth right here, hoping to get some furniture in the near future. There's our columns, DDJ SC2, Ape Labs neons, wireless mic, some stands for the lights, and then around on this side, we've got cable bags, which are way overkill for this gig, but better prepared than not. Rock and roller here. My DJ laptop bag is inside. All I'm missing is my QSC, the new CB10, which is gonna go right here on the front seat with my clothes and everything else. And yeah, that's gonna be a full wedding reception with a satellite speaker, a booth, everything, and a Toyota Corolla. Let's get on the road. All right, so I'm currently stopped in Fillmore, Utah. This is about halfway to where I'm going, St. George, Southern Utah, 3.5 hours from where I live. I got a new passenger here. QSC CB10 made it to me. It had not arrived when I left today, and my wife was like, it got here in the afternoon. So she met up with me and got it. So now I've got my CB10s. I actually have two of them. I'm gonna use one for a booth monitor and one for a satellite speaker. So we got gear all over the place. Let's finish this drive out, get down to St. George. We're gonna get some rest tonight. Tomorrow we gig. All right, made it to the venue. Gotta find where Loden is. This is an older place, but I'm pretty sure that they have renovated it. I might have a bit of a walk, but I've got the rock and roller and I don't think there's any elevation changes. So loading should be pretty simple. Let's go. So here's the gear all loaded up on the rock and roller. Well, most of it, still pulling some things out. Venue's really nice place. Pretty average sized reception hall. I used this corner. Originally I was going to be up on the stage area, but this actually turned out to be a pretty good spot. I had a ton of area behind me. I used one of the CB10s as my booth monitor, and then I put the UVive 35 in the back of one of the RCFs to run a satellite speaker to the far end of the room, and it worked excellent. Overall, this was an awesome crowd. You know, weddings in Utah aren't known for tons of dancing. There's not really any alcohol involved. And these people came to party. We went for an hour solid of dancing. I quick mixed everything. The RCFs sounded amazing. There'll be a full review on those soon. The Ape Labs neons also were excellent, and it was really fun to have those. I definitely want a little more dance floor wash at the next gig, so I'm gonna either put my marbles or some Ape Labs minis up on some gravity stand type systems. Overall, vibes were great, and this was a fun time. Well guys, hope you enjoyed that gig. Tell me what you think of a gig log format. I don't think I'll do this all the time, but maybe every once in a while to go along with the review videos. Please keep your eye out. New RCF Evox J9, full review dropping soon, and the QSC CB10 as well. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss videos coming out in the future. Like the video and leave a comment down below with your thoughts. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.